Okay, today it's serious. I got my glasses. I'm revealing the activity of my workshop extension. It's gonna be a forge! Ooh. See the rust? I'm gonna have a lot of work. My biggest concern is about the rust on the bolts. I wonder if I'll be able to take them off. Actually, it starts pretty well. It's full of rust and dirt, so to help the lubricant, I give it a quick cleanup. It seems it's the very first cleanup. The outside is quite easy to unbolt. Je vais changer la graisse parce que... Hein? Elle doit être un peu vieille quand même. Indeed, and removing it was not easy. C'est bien collé là. I have lost a few gloves and a bunch of rags in this cleanup, but I did it! I heat up the steel to melt the grease, as I can't take apart this gear and I don't want to force too much to avoid any damage. I'm finishing the cleanup with alcohol and the grease is gone. Well, I still have to rub all the corners and for a certain amount of time because there are lots of things to get rid of. I'm done with this part, but it's not finished. There is this one. I am trying lots of options in both rotation directions, but nothing works. I can't unbolt the fan. It would have helped. I plunged this part in the evaporust. I clean it with water and then I dry it up. I check everything is okay, just in case. And then I put the grease. I'm trying to feel as much as possible the back of the gear. Here I'm using WD-40. It prevents from rust. I need a beautiful handle. The spindle is slightly twisted. To put it back in place, I'm welding a threaded rod. I made the handle out of robinia. It's perfect for staying outside. I'm using tung oil for the finish. I'm leaving it there for today because on the rest of the forge there is a lot of work. As always, if you have appreciated the video, press the thumb up, share it, leave a message and subscribe. À bientôt!